Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can move around the text on your Instagram Reels. So let's get right into it. Now, I myself am having a bit of trouble with this simply because I'm having a glitch at the current moment, which I can't seem to fix, but I'll be explaining to you guys how you can move around text, what this glitch is doing to me, and how you might be able to fix it. So let's just go over and start creating a reel. Gonna just create a short video, go into next, and here once I go into next, as you can see, I have the option to edit video in the bottom left. So I'm just going to click on edit video and I'm going to click on add text at the very bottom. Here I'm going to add some text, but as you can see, I'm trying to tap all of my options here for the text, the color, the font, the bold, and everything, and it's currently not working. Even if I tap done, nothing is happening there as well, so I'm not really sure what the issue is, but usually you can just tap done, and once you're done you can then tap the text here. Once you're at the screen, drag it around, pinch it, zoom it, and minimize it, whatever you want, and then you will be able to move it around. Now, as you can see, I'm having that glitch and I currently for some reason cannot for the life of me reason why this is happening. I tried to fix it. I tried clearing my cache. That didn't work. I've seen a person online say that reinstalling the app, logging out of your accounts and logging back in did help them, so you might need to update or reinstall your Instagram app. I don't want to at the moment since I'm having a bit of a trouble with my login, but yeah, you can easily just drag it around through this screen and it should be good enough. So you can drag it around like that, or if you want to change the timing of the text, you can just drag these edges like this, and once the reel plays, as you can see, the text appears later on in the reel, and then you can just go into next and post your reel. But that is pretty much it. Again, I'm sorry I couldn't show you guys exactly how to do it since I'm having a glitch at the moment, but it is what it is. It's really easy. You just have to tap on it and drag it around on your screen with your fingers. You can even rotate it by rotating two of your fingers, or zoom it in by pinching and stretching. So yeah, that's pretty much all there is to it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.